Example of to speak. To speak in French we say parler. Repeat after me. Parler. You can see parler has two parts, as we have said. The first part, going up to slant line there, it is parle. That's the stem of the verb. Are we together? And the last part is the ending. It is the ending that we replace as we are using it in a sentence. Okay? Example. When I say I speak in French, we have the subject. Je parle. As you can see, the stem of the verb is there, but the ending changes. It removes R. It only remains with E. That means je parle, I speak. When you go to you speak, you can see we use the subject tu, as we have just learned, and then we change ER, we remove the R, we put S. When it is tu, when it is you in English. So it goes on and on. When you say she speaks, you said elle, this is the subject, and you say parle, the stem remains the same. The ending we remove we remove R, and we just leave E. So those are the rules that I'm requesting you to know when you're following the conjugation in French. Okay? When we go to we speak. The subject, nous, parle. It ends up there, stem. Then at the ending is EZ. Or EZ. Are we together? And so on and so on. You have to be very mindful of the ending, because the ending does make the grammar of the conjugation in French. Okay? And when you say they, here now comes the problem. They applies to female and to male. So they, it is either il or elle, but with S at the end. Because when you say il and you know that they are male, then you use il. But in English we just say they. They speak. They speak, that means you have to know who are speaking. Are they boys? Are they girls? If they are boys, then it is il parle. And look at the ending. The stem is the same. The ending is ENT. Okay? Don't worry about the pronunciation. We are going to get used to do some few activities so that we can understand how these words are pronounced. Okay? Any question? Okay, I'll give you a web package that you're going to do in class. Be mindful. You can check on your notes because this is just the beginning. And once you get used to that, you're going to see how easy it is. Okay? So this activity has to be done. You have to do it alone. And I can make sure that you apply the rules of the grammar that we have learned today. Okay? Yeah, you can copy me. Okay? So for example, when we say to wash, let me not go too far. Wash in English means, in French, to wash means laver. laver. That is to wash. We are washing the dishes. It is laver. So I'm going to give you the subject only. I want you to change that according to the ending that we have just spoken. Make sure you know where to stop from the stem and where to start from the ending which you change. Je. Finish. Tu. Finish. I will jump on some subject. Il. Okay, let's take these three activities together. So finish them. I'll go around and see what you have done. Okay? Okay, that's correct. Remember, the subject is the one that directs you